Hi everybody, it is 12:10 and 40 seconds now on Tuesday, January 22nd. This is mini number one for the Fantastic Four 48 and 49, the 49 being the slab. Over here are the 20 filled spots. Okay, whoever comes in first place in this mini is going to get the first 7 open spots in the main automatically assigned to them. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 2 open spots in the main automatically assigned to them. Whoever comes in third will get the next single open spot available in the main automatically assigned to them. I think after this I'm going to close the main and just run one more mini to fill the main. Okay. So number is 6. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here comes the final roll. 6. Barney Stars comes in first and second, and Justin Hines comes in third. Time is 12:11 and 4.